Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This will be a quick video. I'll be talking about ticker symbol ZOM, otherwise ZOMEDICA Corp. Because of a recent news, because they had a public offering, the news came after hours. So I just wanted to make the quick video so that you can get some gain. In general, keep that in mind. If you are a long-term investor, normally any kind of public offering shouldn't be thought as a issue or a bad thing. It's a good thing because your company is raising more money so that they can invest for further expansion. On the other hand, if you're a short-term trader or a medium-term trader, sometimes this is not a good thing because each time whenever there is a public offering, the stock price goes down, and you have seen this for many other uh, like mega cap stock or even like the penny stock, right? So whenever there is a thing like public offering, you will see it will go down. So how can we use the information to gain some advantage? And first of all, like if you're long term, do not bother at all. If you're short term, maybe you can get some more shares and you can get some more benefit. But keep that in mind. Whenever a penny stock goes like 50%, 100%, even 200%, it is very common that they will offer some public sharing. We have seen this for BNGO, we have seen this for NNDM, we have seen this for SNDL, because whenever they ran a lot, they always offer some shares, and this is very common. So this is okay. Let's look at the daily chart. So we had a run up for ZOM from $1, not one, like 0.25 cent, or let's say 0.4, like 40 cent. It went up to $1, and I made a video around this area. And the good thing is, I said let's observe. So we have seen a consolidation, like it did not come down, it was consolidating, and then again another big push. And you can see last 4 consecutive days the stock ran up to like 156%. It's a massive move. If you look at the RSI is like 89, close to 90, and also you can see the daily MACD is way high. So what I did, like I sold like 2/3 of my position today because I'm not a long term, I'm short to medium term, you can say. So I sold my shares because I thought it might come down. That was my thought. Or even if it might not come down, there might be some consolidation before the next run up. And why I'm saying next run up, because on March 30th they are expected to bring their TRUFORMA thing, and I think till that the stock should be rising. At least if the price is now $2, it should go to $3 or $4, $5, $10, whatever it is, but it should go. But I also sold my position so that the stock can take some rest, it cools off, then I can get into the stock again. Let's look at the daily chart today. How does it look? So it looks like very strong, right? This is today. So in the morning we started high, and around 2 p.m. we went so high. I sold around this area, I guess around 2.8. Then it came down again. End of the day it was trying to go up. So it's a very good sign. This stock has lots of volume, very bull trend. But you see the post market, this is now 2.5. And why? Because the news came around like 5 o'clock that they announced 25 million public offering of their common share at a price of $1.9, and the stock was around $2.8 today. So, and after that the stock price is expected it will come down, right? So you can see that after the offering the stock was around 2.8, it came all the way to 2.2, then it tried to go up again, it tried to, I think currently this is around $2.5. So what you can do, normally I find we all know that like whenever there is a public offering the stock price will come down. Most of the time I found whatever is the price of the shared stock, the price comes to that particular price and it bounced back. So the price of ZOM can come down to 1.9 or 1.95, maybe 2, then it will bounce back. So in aftermarket I have set a purchase or limit purchase order with $1.95, so that if it comes pre-market or even tomorrow when the market opens, if it comes back to 1.95, I will buy more share. And when I see the price is $1.9, it means that whoever is buying those shares at 1.9, the stock price will not come back below 1.9. So your stock will be always above 1.9. So if you can set some limit order, you can grab some share at 1.9, 1.95 or $2. I think in long run you will be going higher, because I think in February and in March this stock will go higher. That is one thing. Also, if you think that the price will go down, you can sell aftermarket or even pre-market, entirely up to you. Or you can just set some limit buy order, or even like if it comes down tomorrow when the market opens, you can grab more share, and you know this thing will go up. Recently I have looked at SNDL, BNGO, NNDM. For all those stocks, whatever was the public offering share price, the stock price came to that point and it bounced back. So same thing can happen. It can come for this particular stock ZOM, it can come to 1.9 or 1.95. Whatever it comes here, it will go back. And again, keep that in mind, March 30th is the time they will bring the TRUFORMA. Again, it's a penny stock, so you know they come with high risk, but 1.9 would be a good entry. Also, if it comes back to 190, currently this is like 2.5, maybe it can come down, but I think in you will see the stock price will consolidate around this area between 2.5 and $3 for some time, and I think next push will be after that. And let's look at the chart. Can we predict what will be the next move? So yeah, so let's see what was the previous move. So let's start from here, or let's start from here. So we had an increase of 253% or $1, and then from here we had another 200%, $2. Let's say the stock will consolidate around this area, maybe it will come back to 2.5, and from there it can go to another 200%. Sorry, not always 200, it happens the price goes higher, it can be higher, at least let's say 150, $3. So $4 to $5, I would say, in medium to long term the stock can definitely go. We can see the volume. You see for last few days all green volumes are here, right? And they have an earning on 4th March as per tradingview.com. So even though if the price comes back, it will come back here then, and it will make another push towards $4. Anyway, I'm bullish. I will buy more stock even if it does not come to 1.9, but I will just buy more shares, maybe around $2. I will watch the market. I did not sell all of my stock today. I kept some of them and I will hold them till March 31st. But anyway, I had a huge profit because I bought my shares around 0.9 and we were like $2.8, so solid gain. Anyway, this video was mostly to give you the news that there was a stock offering, what will be the price movement, and how can we get some benefit. If you find this information useful to you, please do not forget to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and happy trading day, my friends. Take care. Peace.